Whew, I must have had a good Tuesday night because I'm having a rough Wednesday morning. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the bee's knees. But first, I've got to go throw up. Woo! Let's do this. Before we mix the bee's knees, we have to have a victory shot. Today's victory shot is Hendrick's Gin in celebration of Dry Gin January. And while you're at it, check out our first two videos on Dry Gin January. That's the bomb. The bee's knees is a prohibition drink named after the common phrase, the bee's knees, which in our day would be called the bomb. And why didn't they just call it that? I haven't a clue. Personally, I've never seen the knees of a bee, so I'm struggling to relate, but maybe they really are all that. 5 dashes of lavender bitters. I make this honey syrup here at home, which is 2 parts water, 1 part honey, and we're going to add 1 ounce to this drink. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And 2 ounces of a dry gin, but first, we have to have ourselves a shot. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe so you can watch cocktail tutorials every Wednesday. I can't believe I struggle with botany. And add ice and shake it up, baby. Shake it up, baby. We're going to rub the rim of the glass with some lemon juice, then apply purple sugar to it. Take regular white sugar, add some food color into it, mix it up, and you have purple sugar. Double strain into your coupe glass. And that's the bee's knees. Da bomb! Today's word of wisdom is hive mind mentality. Many bugs, including bees, realize at a young age that they're not alone. They are a part of a colony or a hive. As soon as they realize they are a part of a team, those little suckers start to act and seem as one, working to help each other out. And this doesn't just relate to bees. Here at Empires and Cocktails, every viewer is a necessary part of the hive, buzzing around, working to help me impart cocktail informatives to imbibing individuals. That's right, you matter. You are important to me, the queen bee, but you really can't help until you subscribe by clicking to subscribe here and clicking the bell here. That way you can see what we've been working on every Wednesday. Now fly away, little bees, and get to work. You know what you have to do. You know what you have to get to do. You know what you gotta do.
Gotta get do. It's not gotta get do.